Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So you want to go ahead and change the font size of your product title in your pitch team. Okay, so if you're using the pitch team, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to go about that. Now, what you want to do is to come here to your online store and you want to come to Teams. Okay, and once you do that, you want to come here. You can see pitch. I'm sure it will be a default theme. So, but if it is not, just go ahead and whether you're going to see edit teams or you can see customize, whichever one, just click on it. And the moment you click on that, you want to come here to home page, all right? You want to just hover around here, click on this drop down and click on products, okay? Then you see default products, so you want to click that, all right? And right here is the title, okay? So I'm just gonna click that, all right? And sometimes all this interface they'll behave however they like, so you can just in case this one is not working, click on it. You can just come to product templates, product information, okay? And you can see main information right here. You can see title, so you can double click that and it's still gonna show, all right? So the next thing you want to do is to click on this preset, okay? You can see typography, all right? And right there in typography you see preset and you click on that and adding, so you can keep changing the addings to whatever you want, adding 6, adding whatever, and you see okay, so adding 1, so that's it, all right? But if you want to use pixel, maybe you're not cool with how this adding, you want a specific pixel, maybe you want to use 32 pixel or whatever, you can just click on custom, and once you click on custom you can see the size pixel, you can just 32, so you see, or 50, 48, whatever it is you want to use, you can do that, all right? So these are you go about that, right? And maybe you want to change the font, all right? This is just like a bonus for you. Maybe you want to change the font and you don't know how to go about that. You've seen this font, you've clicked on body, you've clicked on subheading, it's not working. Well, the reason is because if it's actually showing body here, you should go ahead and change it in your theme settings, okay? So to do that, the first thing I like to do is to change it to like heading, all right? Because if you change the body, it might affect the body of the whole, like all this body also, this product description, everything might change, okay? So you want to first change it to heading, all right? Just like this, change it to heading, all right? The font change it to heading, then you now go back to your theme settings here, okay? And go to your theme settings, not going back like that. Then click on typography, and right here in the heading, you can see all the text are all liter. So everything they're using the liter font. Okay, so you need to change the heading. If I change this body now from liter to another thing, it's gonna have effect, and it might also possibly have effect on the body of the team. All right. So, but since it's heading, it's just gonna have effect on that. So I'm gonna click on the liter, and I'm gonna change it. So you can use anything you want, the thing you want. So let me just use this Francois 1, all right? And it's going to show you, see, it's already showing effect, all right? So this is how you go about it. Or maybe I want to use Germania 1. Oh, I'm using a 1. I guess I'm number 1. Okay, so you can see there's it, and you click on select and you're good to go. All right. So this is exactly how you can change the font size, and also I give you an added bonus of changing the font. And I believe this video has been helpful. With this, you will be able to do this easily. All right. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box and I will surely help you out. I believe this video is helpful. Please smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials right here on this channel. Thank you very much. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.